And then these slides here basically just go into more detail about what is, in this case, a provider network. As we said, nearly all health insurance companies use managed care with provider networks to manage the cost of providing care to your consumers. Some health plans, such as HMOs, will only pay for services that are performed by a provider within their network, also known as in-network providers. Other plans, such as PPOs, may pay for services by any provider, even if they're not in-network. Again, we'll be going into more detail in these as we go forward with this in this module. Going to a provider that isn't in a consumer's network is considered, or is out of network, is often more expensive for a consumer. How many of you have seen your bills when you get something like that? Some plans require consumers to choose an in-network primary care provider. And a primary care provider could be a doctor, an MD, a doctor of osteopathic medicine, or a nurse practitioner, an NP, who directly provides or coordinates a range of healthcare services for patients. They could be responsible for coordinating care and making referrals to specialists. And costs that are charged, including co-pays for services provided by primary care, are typically lower than those for specialists who are either in or out of network. So when you're explaining provider network, again, it's the facilities, the providers, suppliers that your health insurance or the plan has contracted with to provide healthcare services. And the network can include doctors, surgeons, therapists, nurse practitioners, hospitals, pharmacies, labs. Again, check the plan's website, or you can call the plan. The consumers can call the plan. Again, I know a lot of you already do this. Again, it's part of helping your consumers to learn more about managing their healthcare coverage. So we've got a couple of slides here, and we actually have a handout which is a little bit more in-depth. But basically, these are the participating health connector health and dental plan carriers and their contact information. Again, to obtain the most up-to-date information, network provider network information for both the health and dental coverage. Again, that's on both of these. And again, we have another job aid will be cheat sheet that will have not only this, but we've added another column that actually shows the product they offer. Is it dental? Is it medical? So that you can see, okay, Health New England, what do they offer? And you can just read right across and you'll see. It'll say medical, is it small group, is it small business, individual? But we've got those for you again, just to again provide the information.